Hi everyone, today we will be making a heart-shaped Christmas ornament. As you can see, I already made a heart. We're using buffalo plaid fabric and some twine. I use a wooden template in the form of a heart. They come in circles and they come also as a star shape, as you can see here. I already made one with a similar red buffalo plaid fabric, twine, and burlap flower that I use as embellishment in the center of your ornament. That's optional if you want to decorate your ornament. And also I use some twine that's going to be used to wrap your ornament around. You can cover all those imperfections and use also as a hanging strip. In this case, we'll be using a plaid black and white fabric. All I did is I cut 2 squares of fabric. I pinned them together. That way when I trace my template, I only make 1 cut, but I'll have 2 cuts of fabric for each side of the template. You can use a Sharpie, a pen, a fabric paint, whatever you decide to trace your template. As you can see here, I already finished cutting the fabric and I have a piece for each side of the wooden template. Then what we need to do is cut a piece of, in this case, twine, the length or the size that you want your ornament to hang on your Christmas tree. Once you have that, you have to glue one side of the strip to each side of the ornament. Once you're done gluing your twine or whatever you use to hang your ornament, then you're gonna glue your fabric to each side of the wooden template. Once you're done with the fabric on each side of the ornament, we're going to start by adding the twine around the ornament. I usually start where I put the hanging strip or the hanging twine that you'll be using to hang your ornament on the tree. Once you reach your starting point, just keep going around your ornament. You can do this twice, 3 times, 4 times. It all depends how you want your finished product to look. As you can see, I already reached my starting point again. I just decided that I'll keep going around 2 more times. I already reached my starting point again. Here I go my last time around the ornament. I already finished going around the ornament on this side. Now we have to do the other side. Now we're gonna start the other side, and we're gonna start the same way we started the first side of the ornament. I just finished going around the ornament with my twine. Now I'll be applying the burlap flowers on the center of each side of the ornament. This way it can give it a more rustic country look.